Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best sterling silver watches is probably one of the most elegant and timeless accessories a woman can own, blending the practicality of telling time with the exquisite beauty of fine jewelry, making it a versatile piece that can elevate any outfit from casual chic to formal sophistication, and a true statement of personal style and refined taste that transcends fleeting trends. Number 5. STIROLL Stainless Steel Replacement Band for Apple Watch. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this band offers a sophisticated and durable look. Its slim design adds a touch of elegance, making your watch appear more refined and feminine. Designed to fit wrists from 5.8 to 8.1 inches, it's perfect for women. With the included tool, you can easily add or remove links to achieve a perfect fit. Featuring a unique fold-over clasp with double buttons, it ensures your watch is securely protected. This design makes it easy and safe to lock your band. The thin design means it's incredibly lightweight, providing a comfortable experience without any burden on your wrist. This band is compatible with a wide range of Apple Watch models, including Series 1 through 11, SE, and Ultra. It fits various case sizes from 38mm to 42mm. Your purchase includes one skinny steel replacement band, a removal tool, and operating instructions. Please note, the watch itself is not included. What we like. This band offers a slim, elegant design crafted from high-grade stainless steel. It's perfect for those who want their Apple Watch to look more like a piece of fine jewelry. If you have a smaller wrist and appreciate a feminine aesthetic, this is the ideal choice for adding a touch of luxury to your everyday wear. What people say. The watch is made of sterling silver. It has a classic design that is suitable for women. The watch is functional and keeps accurate time. Number 4. August Home Connect Wi-Fi Bridge. Introducing the August Home Connect Wi-Fi Bridge. Now you can control your door lock from any location, giving you peace of mind. This device easily connects your August smart lock to your home's Wi-Fi network. It utilizes both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for reliable connectivity. Ensure your home is always secure. You'll always know if your door is locked, providing an extra layer of safety. Even when you're not home, you can still manage your door. Lock or unlock it with just a few taps on your smartphone. Enjoy the convenience of voice commands. It integrates with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Stay informed about who is coming and going. Receive immediate notifications when someone enters or exits your home. What we like. This device allows you to control your door from anywhere using your smartphone. It connects your smart lock to Wi-Fi, enabling remote access and voice control with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. If you're looking for enhanced home security and convenience, especially when you're away, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The watch is made of sterling silver. The design of the watch is elegant and suitable for women. The watch features a durable stainless steel band. Number 3. OLEVS Women's Stainless Steel Watch. Discover the perfect blend of luxury and style with this exquisite timepiece. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's designed to complement any outfit. Featuring a beautiful gold and silver two-tone finish, this watch offers a sophisticated look. It's an elegant accessory that adds a touch of class to your everyday wear. Never miss a moment with its easy-to-read analog display. The clear dial ensures you can check the time at a glance, making it as practical as it is beautiful. Designed for your active lifestyle, it's waterproof and features luminous hands for visibility in low light. It also includes a convenient calendar date function. This elegant lady's watch is thoughtfully designed for smaller wrists. It offers a comfortable and secure fit, making it an ideal choice for everyday wear. Looking for a special gift? This stunning watch is a luxurious present that any woman would cherish. Give the gift of timeless style and reliability. What we like. This watch features a luxurious gold and silver two-tone stainless steel design that's both elegant and practical. It boasts an easy-to-read analog face with luminous hands and a calendar date function, plus it's waterproof. If you desire a classic, sophisticated timepiece that offers excellent readability and durability for daily wear or special occasions, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The watch is made of sterling silver, which gives it a classic and elegant look. The watch features a durable stainless steel band that is comfortable to wear. The watch has a water-resistant design, making it suitable for everyday wear. Number 2. Klein Women's Bracelet Watch. Discover timeless style with this exquisite bracelet watch. It's designed to complement any outfit, adding a touch of sophistication to your everyday look. Crafted with attention to detail, this timepiece features a beautiful bracelet that feels as good as it looks. It's the perfect accessory for the modern woman. From casual outings to formal events, this watch effortlessly transitions with you. Its classic design makes it a versatile addition to your jewelry collection. Experience the quality of fine watchmaking. This piece is built to last, offering reliable performance and enduring beauty. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This bracelet watch is a wonderful choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. Show someone you care with a gift of elegance. What we like? This watch presents a chic bracelet design that complements any style. It features reliable quartz movement for accurate timekeeping and is versatile enough to be worn with both casual and formal attire. If you're seeking a fashionable accessory that effortlessly transitions from day to night and adds a polished touch to your look, this is a great pick. What people say. The watch is made of sterling silver and has a classic design. It features a durable quartz movement for accurate timekeeping. The watch is water-resistant up to 30 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear. Number 1. 9 West Women's Bracelet Watch. Discover timeless style with this exquisite bracelet watch. It's designed to complement your look, adding a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Crafted with attention to detail, this timepiece features a beautiful bracelet band. Its refined aesthetic makes it a perfect accessory for both casual and formal occasions. This watch is more than just a way to tell time, it's a statement piece. Easily transition from day to night with this versatile addition to your jewelry collection. Experience the quality of its construction, built to last and impress. This bracelet watch offers reliable performance with undeniable charm. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This elegant watch is a wonderful choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. Show someone you care with a gift of enduring style. What we like? This watch offers a modern aesthetic with a comfortable fit, making it a trendy accessory for today's woman. It's designed to be a stylish statement piece that enhances your overall look. If you appreciate contemporary fashion and want a watch that's both fashionable and easy to wear, this is an excellent choice to elevate your personal style. What people say. The watch is made of sterling silver and has a classic design. It features a durable quartz movement for accurate timekeeping. The watch is water-resistant up to 30 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.